Today I'm going to tell you my best tips on how to stop procrastinating in this video. I'll talk about the causes of procrastination, how to deal with them, and some other strategies. One cause is that you're waiting for the perfect time. You might feel like putting things off because it'd be better if you did them later. One quick thing to help with this is prepare everything before you start working. For example, get out your notes, textbook, pens, and other supplies you need before you start studying. Something else that makes it difficult is that you feel overwhelmed. My favorite way to address it is dividing larger tasks into small parts. For example, make presentation becomes edit speech, write speech summary, create slides, and so on. If you still feel overwhelmed by all the work you need to do, try the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself that you only need to work for 2 minutes. This helps you ease into a workflow because 2 minutes seems easy and manageable, so usually after 2 minutes you'll want to continue. Sometimes you might be procrastinating even while getting stuff done because you're putting off harder but more important tasks by doing easy things. For example, you might be reorganizing your closet instead of writing your research paper. Make sure you do the important things first instead of procrastinating productively. The last and most common cause of procrastination is that you feel like working will be uncomfortable, so you just want to avoid it. The 2-minute rule will be helpful for this because the work is never as painful as you think it is, so just getting started will help. Another strategy is to do things that will make you more comfortable, like playing your favorite music, sitting in a comfortable chair, or anything else, so you won't feel so miserable at just the thought of working. One of my favorite strategies which combines the 2-minute rule and rewards is the Pomodoro method. In this method, you work for 25 minutes and then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. I hope these tips help. You can do it. Thanks for watching.